Right, today I've returned for one of my favourite hikes. If you're somewhere near Hua Hin, it's less than an hour's drive away, and you come to Phraya National Park, which is where the trail to Phraya Nakhon Cave starts. And what it is, you've got a choice. You've got a little hike over a cliff to a beautiful beach, beautiful Laem Sala beach, and then you've got a hike up to the cave, or you can catch a boat. But I quite enjoy the hike, so I'm going to do that. Now the first part of the hike is pretty steep, but it's, you know, you only go up, you don't go up for too far, and other than that it's really quite nice, you know, it's quite beautiful. And today I'm with Baldy Brian.
Hey, 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 hey! Hello, hello, hello!
It's actually a pretty nice view, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think it's Sandroy Yacht Beach, isn't it? This one, or was it Bangpoo?
Bangpoo, that one, yeah.
Bangpoo.
It's always empty though, every time I've been here. But it's quite nice, isn't it? And
It is quite nice. It's just it's just a place with so many nice beaches, isn't it?
Yeah.
You're spoiled for choice. About halfway along the trail, you've got this little viewpoint, Pavilion viewpoint. Let's have a look. You can see right round over there, which is where we've hiked from, and right down to Laem Sala beach down there on the right, which is where we're headed. And there's one of the little boats that ferries you backwards and forwards from the National Park booth if you don't fancy the little hike.สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีครับอายุเท่าไหร่แล้วครับ
อะไรนะครับ
อายุเท่าไหร่แล้ว
60แล้วครับ
โอ้โห
แล้วคุณล่ะครับ
70ครับ
โอ้ เก่งมากครับ
ขอบคุณครับ
It was a sort of conversation you have in Thailand. He straight away asked, said, how old are you? I said 60, and he told me he's 70. So I told him, well, that was good, you know. Good to be able to do what he's doing at 70. Makes me laugh, that sign, when you get down to the bottom. Sukhapap Khong Tan Yang Keng Lang. Your health is still strong. Brilliant. I must admit, it being a Saturday morning and that, I really thought that this hike would be popular, you know. It's probably something to do with the fact that it's a hot season, you know, perhaps it's a bit too strenuous for people, but I'm really kind of surprised how empty it is so far. Beautiful beach. Look at that. I think you can camp here. And here's the National Park restaurant, which I always find it to be like really good value, you know, like the food is very basic, but definitely good prices. Here's Baldy Brian.
Hello again.
So plenty of wildlife near the headquarters. Got this little monitor lizard proceeding along, and if you look carefully in that tree, you can't see them very clearly, but they've got some of the langur monkeys, the ones with long tails. I'll see if I can get a better shot of them. And if you look there, you can see the langur monkeys with their long tails, and they've got like the white rings around the eyes. I think it's too hot for them, otherwise they'd be out on the trail bothering us. Anyone with medical conditions, please consider your ability before entering. There you go. 430 metres, but that'll be Thai 430 metres, that'll be straight up. Well, there's no denying it today. It is intensely hot. Right, any of you who've watched my channel for any time will of course know Baldy Brian, but for any new viewers, Baldy Brian runs his own YouTube channel, Baldy Brian in Thailand. Why don't you tell us something about it?
Tell you something about it? Well, I'm a failed YouTuber, so I need subscribers. I'm not doing too well in that area, so subscribe, and I need some, I tell you that. And I'm pretty much do similar videos to you do, Carl, don't I? Adventure videos. But lately I've started doing the Baldy Brian, the Baldy Brian live show on Friday nights at 8 PM Thailand time.
You saw the old Thai guy walking?
Yeah,
He will walk five times.
He walks 5 times.
He walked 2 times already today, yeah?
Yeah, I saw him. I bumped in. I had a quick chat with him. He asked me how old I was, and then he said he's 70.
70, yeah?
He's old.
Oh, that's fucking strong, yeah?
Yeah.
He said 5 times, yeah?
5 times, yeah. So relentlessly hot, relentlessly steep. But you've been training, haven't you, Brian?
Hey?
You've been training.
Yeah, I've been hitting the gym lately.
Brilliant.
But just keeping fit. I haven't been venturing out far lately.
Yeah.
So I've been doing a few things in and around Bangkok.
Yeah.
So yeah, I've been hitting the gym to keep the fitness up.
You got to do something, mate, ain't you?
Yeah.
And that's it. I think we've more or less crested the hill now. And once you've done that, there's a nice little flat shaded bit before you start the descent down into the cave, which we're just about to reach here. So do you have?
Due to the wonders of nature.
The wonders of nature. Right? Some trees have taken root in the caverns below the skylights. It's sort of nice, isn't it? Incorrect English.
Yeah.
Right, so eventually once you get up all the stairs and the rocky bits, you reach this nice shady spot and this sign here, and from this point onwards we descend rapidly down into the main cave areas. So ดีครับคุณเดินทางจากที่ไหนครับ
ประจวบค่ะ
อ๋อจากประจวบไม่ไกลเท่าไหร่
ไม่ไกลเท่าไหร่
มาเที่ยวครั้งแรกเลยครับ
ครั้งแรกค่ะ
เหรอมันสวยมากนะ
สวยไหม
สวยมากเคยมาเมื่อก่อนนะนี่วันนี้เป็นเที่ยวที่4เที่ยวที่5
พูดไทยเก่งมาก
ครูเขามากครับผมเรียนมาก่อนโอเคเจอกันสวัสดีครับ
Have fun. Have a good time.
แต่ว่าขอให้ไปเที่ยวสนุก สวัสดีอีกครั้งครับคุณเดินมาวันละกี่ครั้งครับ
เคยสูงสุด5วันนี้ตั้งใจ5
เลิกครับ
ตั้งใจ
จากที่นี่ไปถึงที่ไหนครับ
ถึงตรงที่เก็บตังค์อะ
แล้วที่เก็บตังค์แล้วเขากลับมาที่นี่
ครับ
แล้วเขาไปกับ5 รอบเลยครับ เก่งมากเลย
ขอบคุณ
อายุ70ใช่ไหมครับ
70
สุดยอดเลย
อ่า
โอเคคุณครับ
ขอบคุณครับ
สวัสดีครับ Right, just get down this final little set of stairs that leads us into the first cavern.ไม่น่าเชื่อเลยครับขณะที่เป็นคนประจวบแต่ยังไม่ได้มาเที่ยวที่นี่เลย
ไม่ใช่คนประจวบค่ะเพิ่งมาอยู่
อ๋อ
เพิ่งย้าย
ยายมาจากที่ไหนครับ
ย้ายมาจากสุราษฎร์
สุราษฎร์ธานีโอเคเป็นคนใต้
Dry waterfall.
มาเลยลูก
Warming.
So you come down this bit and it opens up into this cabin. If you, as you can, I think you can see some of the light leaking through, can't you? You get a clue what it's going to be like in the main cavern.
แม่เจ็บขาอยู่เนี่ยมาเลยลูกเอาลงมาเกาะง่ายกว่า
ฉันดิทำไมหนูไม่
Amazing how these trees have ended up here.
Yeah,
You know, it's obviously that bird's flying into the sea.
and somehow they've managed to sort of take root.
Yeah.
Look, really, it's amazing, really. Like even this bit's nice, isn't it? Hey, look at that. You get an idea just from that. And so when you first come down the stairs, this is the first cavern, but then when you go round the corner, that's the best one. And that light, that beam of light, which is now behind the shrine, gradually that will move until it stops shining directly on it. Phraya Nakhon Cave, to which 3 great Thai kings have visited, making this cave an historic place in Thailand. King Rama V's monogram on 20th of June 2433, obviously Buddhist calendar. King Rama VII's monogram on 20th of June 2469. His Majesty King Bhumibol Adulyadej visited twice on 22nd of June 2501 and on 31st of May 2524 or 2524 would have been 1981, and those are their monograms there. Well, we've just been informed by somebody who works here that actually at this time of year it isn't properly lit up. We want to be here about November, December, January, something like that, about 10:30 in the morning. I'm glad he told us, because I'd have probably hung around for another hour waiting for it to light up. That's it, let's home for the night sorted out.